Mga piyan masalam, good morning. Welcome to my vlog, and by the way, I am Joy Arcosa Jr., a first-year college taking up Doctor of Veterinary Medicine. And today, I'll be sharing to you one of the most significant part of our culture as an Aromano na Manuvo. So, the Samayan. It is called Samayan. We celebrate it every year as a form of thanksgiving for a bountiful harvest, a prayer, and a ritual as well for God's provision for the upcoming year. So, as we do our celebration, we have spiritual leaders called Waliyans. Sila yung nagali during ceremony. And speaking of ceremony, there will be a different or various offerings such as animals, coins, agricultural tools, for example, bolo, and so on, foods, and many more. So for you guys to really understand what is Samayaan, just finish the video. Ayan, let's go!
Tibay ng lupa, ako'y nakatindig. Sa bigan ng mundo, ako'y di matitinag. Puso kong matatag sa katotohanan, handang isugal ang aking buhay.
Awit ng lupa, tinig ng lakas, kapatay ng lahi, tagapagtanggol ng wagas.
Kung guguho man ang mundo sa paligid, ako ang lupa, matibay at matatag. Sa bawat sugat lupa'y humihilom, sa bawat luha ako'y bumabangon. Katapatan at tapang aking sinumpaan, sa ngalan ng ina, sa ngalan ng bayan.
Awit ng lupa,